in the bus, coach, show you a couple of wee things, fridge here, water, etc. for the likely sports teams. So I'm going to go in here now, do my adjustments. So to do my walk around check, I pull out my own personal scan card, get my phone app up, which is a truck file of course, which Seamus hopefully has explained to you in a previous video. So this here safeguards you, the customer, and also the company as well, to show that drivers are doing their walk around checks. Now I'm just scanning the vehicle asset. I have to record mileage, etc. So continue, and this is what comes up on my screen, my walk around checks. Every one of those there is a scan point. Every part of that has to be checked off before I can take the vehicle out of the yard. I'm not going to do all that now, but it's just showing you roughly what it is. Now, our lovely new Mercedes coach, I'm going to show you a couple of the features on their Mercedes coach. So we'll start off. Obviously all the electronics, the ergonomic area for the driver is very, very good. It's all our controls, no need for me to show you around that. So, for you the customer, what have we got? Up in here is the charging point. You can charge your phones. The seats, obviously all seat belts. Now this is another wee feature we have here. Look, I'll actually get on and demonstrate. If you're sitting beside a big fella like me, you can widen the seats out into the aisle, widen the seats back in. Also, you can take a look at the journey on the vehicle as well. There we are. It's showing you exactly on our sat nav. We can put it up on the screen to show you, the customer, where exactly the bus is going. And what exactly we're doing. Now what I like about this is here, these here, for your drinks, nets behind the seats, toilet for those little emergencies and whatnot. This is our nice new Mercedes coach, and you need to speak to the sales staff should you want to book one of our fantastic coaches. And all I can say now in the meantime is, let's hope you have a safe journey the next time you're traveling with us. In the meantime, take care and we shall speak soon.